at a secondhand textile shop, I discovered on the way out 35 hand-embroidered squares of state birds in a Ziploc bag for $15. I knew I had to have it, and I knew I was going to do something with it, but I didn't know what I was going to do. I ended up making a book called State Bird. This is the envelope. I decided to pair each bird embroidery with an ICE detention facility in the state that the bird represents. This is Alaska, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, which doesn't have an ICE detention facility, but immigrants are sent to a neighboring state, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, where one of the facilities is named Purgatory Correctional Facility, Vermont, Washington, West Virginia, which also does not have a dedicated prison for immigrants, but sends them to another state. Wisconsin, Wyoming. While making the book, I thought about the woman who did the original embroideries and wondered what she would have thought about what I did with her work. So I wanted to give her credit, which is why I signed it Anonymous and Lisa Kokin, 2026.